ndagira ngo hone nyuma y'ibyakomeje kugira bigaragazwa uwitwa Kagarara nyuma yo guhabwa visa akaba agiye kwerekeza muri leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika agasanga yo mugenzi we Ashton Hall, ariko kandi bigakomeza kugira byumvikana ko bagiye gukora team yo kuzajya bakora amavideo agiye kuzajya anyura ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zitandukanye. Nibyakomeje kugira bitangazwa na Kagarara kugeza kuri aka kanya nyuma yo guhabwa ijambo agashimira abanyarwanda benshi agira uti ni munyemerere mbashimire kandi mwumve ko mbikuye ku mutima. Ndashimira buri umwe wese wagize icyo akora ku buzima bwanjye, buri umwe wese wagaragaje uruhari mu gusapotinga ibikorwa nkora buri munsi. Reka mbwire buri umwe wese nkurikiye aka kanya ko urugendo aribwo rugitangira. Abatega iminsi reka mbabwire ngo Imana niyo yanzura ku buzima bwacu. Iyaba imigambi y'abana b'abantu ariyo ishyira iherezo cyangwa se akadomo ku buzima bwacu, ntabwo tuba tukibukwa. N'amagambo yakomeje kugenda agaragazwa n'uwitwa Kagarara nyuma yo gufata indege yerekeza muri leta z'ubumwe za Amerika asanze yo mugenzi we Ashton Hall nyuma yo kumuhamagara. Ariko kandi ko byakomeje kugira bitangazwa byose birakomeza kugira bigaragaza ko ari urugendo rutoroshye. N'urugendo rugiye gutangiza uwitwa Kagarara na Ashton Hall ndetse na Ashton Indian bakaba bagiye gutangira gukora amavideo, ariko kandi akaba ari amavideo azajya aca ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Ibi kandi byakomeje kujya bitangazwa n'umunyarwanda Kagarara wakomeje kugenda ugaragaza ko kuba ufite ubumuga ugomba kwitinyuka ugakora, ariko kandi ushobora kuba udafite ubumuga ukaba uri mu buzima bubi. Kagarara akomeza kugenda agaragaza ko ubuzima bubi waba urimo bwose ugomba kwihangana icyo ukora ugasenga Imana. Nkuko kandi bagenzi be bakomeza kugenda bikoresha mu magambo bakoresha buri munsi, bakomeza kugenda bavuga uti Jesus is king. Baragira uti umwami ni Yesu, ariko kandi bakanavuga ko uko waba umeze kose ugomba gutegereza Yesu akagutabara. Ntabwo ugomba guheranwa n'agahinda cyangwa se uheranwe n'ibihe bibi urimo kugeza kuri aka kanya. Waba ufite ubumuga ariko kandi ukabona kennye, ugomba gutegereza Yesu niwe wakuruhura akagutura ibibazo byawe waba ufite. Nime byakomeje kugira bigaragazwa n'umunyarwanda Kagarara ndetse uwitwa Ashton Hall nyuma yo kugira muri leta z'ubumwe za Amerika agakumbura uyu munyarwanda, avuga ko yagiriye ibihe byiza mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda, ariko kandi akanavuga ko urukundo akomeza kugenda akunda uyu munyarwanda mu by'ukuri rukomeza kugenda rwiyongera.
We're live. Today's the last day. Me and my brother, blood brother at this point. It's bittersweet. Honestly, it's more sweet than anything because this trip was very, very successful. It was fun. My guy hit 400K. Is this a cake we have for him? Oh, we're gonna look at that in a second. We're gonna hit that in a second. All right, so what do we have here? What we got here? What are we doing? Are we doing something here?
They're presenting. Yeah, they want to present.
Again. Okay, what's up, brother?
So again, thank you very much for staying with us. And
Thank you.
As a token of appreciation for you and Ashton Small, we were following his story and noticed he reached 440K.
440K.
Yes.
He went from 40K to 440.
40K. Yes.
And what, like
And
2 weeks?
Yes. Literally. Yes. So we prepared a little cake, note and some flowers for him. And that's okay. We can present it to him.
That's fire. Let's do it.
Can I get your cake?
Hey, tell Ashley I need the sniffs.
Okay.
Chat, 440,000 followers on the gram. Yeah. 440K. Ashton Small. Go ahead. First cut.
And celebration.
Hey. Good size piece. Eat that.
Watch his car.
There it goes. Hey! So that's the proper way to do it.
Yeah, let's go.
You have to cut it and take a bite, huh?
Yes.
That makes sense.
All right. And yeah, again, thank you for staying with us. We hope your trip in Rwanda was amazing. We wish you the best in your continued success to both of you, and you're welcome here anytime.
Oh, 100%. I feel like this is second home at this point.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys have done your thing. You know, I felt completely comfortable in here. Whole staff was amazing.
Yes.
And me and Ashton Small, we appreciate you guys. This won't be the last time you see us.
Thank you very much.
For sure.
Pleasure.
Thank you, brother.
Very much.
Thank you. Chat, can we eat this? Come on, give me a little cookie or something. Shoot. Look.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
This is a little trigger thing.
Mom, let's do it.
Hey, pleasure. Make sure you get the cake. Take the cake, yeah. That's yours.
Yeah, the box is here. It's just packed for you guys.
Yeah, or you can have them.
You and the team eat it.
Touch much. Let's keep
W's in the chat. 440K for you. My guy Ashton Small. Filled with light, filled with positive energy. He's been through some family things in the last couple of days, but thankfully, God is still good. God is still amazing. Now we head to the airport. Final moments. Chat. What must we do next? What must we do next, man? Thank you.
Yeah. You bought us and everything. Awesome.
You can have this one.
Was it good?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Do you mind if we take one picture?
Yeah, let's do it. 100%.
Where? Outside?
Outside, but let's do it outside.
Right here. I'm gonna pull up on mine. Yeah.
Disability is not inability.
Disability is not inability.
100%.
100%. Ashton Small says. We're doing a big group photo?
Yes.
Let's do it. You ready? Small says. We're doing a big group photo? Final moments in Rwanda, huh?
What's your favorite moment in Kigali?
My favorite moment in Kigali? What's the favorite moment?
A lot of things.
I'm gonna feel disrespectful if I just pinpoint one because everything was so good. I would say I can't even say our first moments because we didn't meet in Rwanda. Yesterday probably. I think yesterday was our best day. We went and milked the cows. It's my first time milking the cows. Yeah, I drank the milk and the milk was good. Real milk. And I think just being in the streets of Kigali in general was amazing.
Okay.
Just because the kids have so much love.
Yes.
People here are beautiful, very respectful, and it's so clean. It's clean. Let's do it. Ready?
Take one quick. Go.
We good? 3, 2, and 1. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you so much.
Love. Where's Indian Ash? Dang. Where's Indian Ashton?
Yeah, international member, he just take a flight.
He just took the flight. He's
Yeah.
going, chat.
He's going.
W's in the chat for India Ash. What's up, brother?
That Dave's name.
Hey, you know we family now. You know that, right? Nephew. Ah, thank you. Hey, and then we got the star too. And we got the star with us. How's everything? You good? Hey, let's flick one real quick. Ready? Let's flick one.
For your team. Moose.
You took it? Did you screenshot it? Okay, you got it?
Awesome.
Hey, big W, see your pops.
We just wanted to take a picture with my team.
Oh, 100%. That's easy. Don't worry about that. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't? Okay. Well, just move it. Go that way. Just keep it on him. 1 second.
So.
Last moment.
Yes. Guys.
After school in the house.
In the house.
What are you telling me?
Yeah. So, I really appreciate everybody. From national time till now, and I really appreciate for your support. From bottom of my heart, I'm so happy, and God, God is amazing.
Let's go. Where's the team at?
We need to do a final group
Team.
picture with the full team.
All right, let's do his team first.
Team.
Let's do his team first. W's in the chat for Ashton's smallest team. Ashton's smallest team. What's your name again?
Asman. Asman.
Asman?
Yes.
Kane? Cade, you guys have to be patient. Because the names, I'm not good with the African names. I'm still learning.
Yeah.
All right, and what was yours? Muski?
That's
Musa?
Yes.
Musa.
Prophet Musdat.
God. I can't forget yours. GAD. Big shout out to Ashton's smallest team. These guys killing it. Oh, where's the camera though? What camera are we using? Right here? All right, bet.
Yuriye, man. I really appreciate you.
Love, brother.
One more, let's go.
Got it.
All right, good. Let's go. Come on.
From bottom of my heart,
Yeah,
I really appreciate you, whatever you have done for me.
yeah,
And that is amazing.
yeah.
And God bless you. I'm gonna miss you, man.
Now we locked in.
Always you are my brother for real.
Oh, for life.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna be 60, you gonna be 55. I'm gonna be calling you like, yo, how's the family?
Yeah.
How's the family? How's business? We locked in forever.
Yeah.
Ride with me. Let's get it.
Last photo.
Huh? Let's do it.
Your Rwanda team.
Let's do
we're
it.
happy to prepare activity for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we are so happy
You
we're
guys
able to
did.
achieve it.
You guys did amazing.
Thank you.
You guys did so good,
Thank you so much.
and it really felt heartfelt too.
Yeah, when you come back, make sure
What?
it's ours who's gonna.
There's no one else. It's just y'all.
Thank you.
Got it? All right, let's go.
Love.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was nice to have you, bro. You're amazing. That is.
Love. Y'all aren't coming to the airport? Yes. Y'all coming to the airport? See you at the airport. Let's do it. The whole team, right? The
whole team.
Whole team.
We need to do a whole team.
Or should we do it at the airport?
Up to you.
Let's do it at the airport. Let's do it at the
So I'm coming there for you.
airport. Yeah. Hey, did Dante take my phone?
Because you put me at the higher level.
Yeah.
So what I think a dream, just to become true.
Yeah.
That's the why.
Yeah. You were grinding already. You were posting a lot, doing a lot of things already. So I think now with the momentum, because you have momentum. You know, you have like the world, and I know you don't really see or care about like the likes and the followers and stuff like that, because you just have such a good heart. But like you got so much momentum. I want you to like dream big, and I want to be able to help you, you know, with the things that you want to do. So if you ever have ideas, or if you need me to put a word in for you out here, and you already run this country, but if you need me to put a word in or anything like that, you let me know. But I feel like now is the time you need to turn up.
Yeah.
Now is the time where you need to get your message out to the world every single day.
Yeah.
Every day. Cause the world needs it, bro. The world is messed up. People are depressed, people are sad, people are ungrateful, and they need to hear from people like you. Why didn't you record what Indian Ash was going? We actually did film. Dang, how do they even know that? That's crazy. We're gonna miss this duo. Yeah, this duo right here is different. The duo, the trio. But we actually did film with Indian Ash. we just didn't get to live stream it because India Nash had to leave like 4 hours before us, 5 hours before me anyways. So I couldn't just spark up at that time. And we found out last minute that he had to go early. Yeah, we found out last minute. We need to try to display the... Dang, Indian Ash didn't collaborate yet? Did he land?
Should have already.
Post is going 1 million likes in 5 hours.
Dang.
That's cool. 1 million likes in 5 hours. That's a record for us. We've never done that before, I don't think. 5 hours? Sheesh. God, dang, God is amazing. Yeah, Ash and Small didn't. Indian Ash didn't land yet. You like my shirt? Appreciate you. You guys know I'm a big advocate for Link Me. I rock with Link Me to the fullest. Literally today, like my team was in a hurry, and we had to get like 7 posts up within 5 minutes. And I was able to do that. I could just press one button. Press one button, got all 5 or 7 posts up, and got right back to the shoot. Tomorrow's post is gonna be a vibe. Absolute vibe. Where to next? So next, chat, from here, we go back to America. We'll go back to America. I'll get some recovery. My body's been feeling crazy. Haven't been able to see like any therapist or anything like that. I need to just rest, recover. I got sick the last couple of days. Even though I don't feel like crazy, I had moments where I was feeling like kind of wild. Like this morning was a little bit nuts. We probably would have streamed if I was feeling a little bit better, but we didn't stream earlier today. And we also, I don't think we streamed yesterday. Did we stream yesterday?
Yes, sir.
We didn't stream yesterday because I was feeling a bit sick. Love from Pakistan. What do you have planned for tomorrow, bro? What you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
They just prepare to rest.
To rest?
Yeah.
You gonna go see your sister?
Yes, I'm just talking with my sister in the morning, and tomorrow maybe just evening I will go to take her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Chat, they drive so crazy out here in Africa. That's one thing I can say. The street rules here are completely different. Because if you could drive like this in America, I'll be getting through all types of traffic. They low-key drive how I drive. Partially. Just worse. I think you'll get tickets. I think honestly, like, you might be going to jail. If you drive how they've been driving here, bro, it's nuts. Guandians here. Final moments in Guanda. Who am I? I'm God's child. Huh? I'm from America. Yeah. Amazing time.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Let me be, let me be. W's. The chat. Africa tour complete. Final moments here with my boy. I start up a new chapter, a new friendship, new brotherhood. God is good.
God is amazing.
Now I got somebody I could talk to on a normal. You can call me. I'm gonna get your number now since we won't be together every day.
Yeah.
You can call me whenever.
Yes.
Call me, text me, anything you need, you hit me.
Yeah. Thank you.
What you about to do? What you about to do now?
He about to start working. He about to start grinding. It's grind time now. It's all on you now. I'm leaving you to the city, Guanda. Is the people looking up to you. They counting on you to get those videos to the world.
Yeah.
So you can show them how beautiful Guanda is. Everybody's gonna want to visit Guanda. 100%. So you gotta push the legacy, bro. You gotta push it, man.
Why are you doing that?
We're gonna do a team picture. Yeah, we can do a team picture.
Cool, Oscar needs all together.
Final moments in Guanda, man. I'm thankful. Feeling blessed. I really couldn't ask God for any more than what He's given me already. I couldn't, even if I had nothing. Even if I had nothing but Him, that's all I need. See if he can hold the camera too, so we can do this group picture.
For sure.
He got that. right, boom. Let's run it right here. Team picture. Everybody. Everybody who's a part of this team. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let me be, let me be.
We're getting choked up.
We need everybody else. Let's go. We ask you.
Ash. Quick picture, come on. What is that? Get in the picture. Yeah. Where's Dante? Dante, get in the picture. Stop walking around. That boy trying to orchestrate. Get in the picture, boy. Can you see them over there? Make sure you get everybody. It's a stream photo.
No, we got a camera right here.
HD.